Hi, I'm Shannon Carroll, Coordinator of Wellness Education. In order to support your academic success and wellness, I do a few things here at the college. First, I offer individual wellness coaching sessions based on the 8 dimensions of wellness, which are emotional, financial, physical, social, environmental, occupational, spiritual, and intellectual. You can meet with me to talk about time management, stress management, organization skills, and more. I'm here to help you find strategies that work for you so you can achieve your goals and find balance in your life. I also organize wellness events on campus, both through the Wellness Resource Center and in partnership with other departments. We have guest speakers, drop-in wellness activities, and a week-long Stress Busters event right before finals each semester. Please feel free to email me with any questions or if you want to set up a coaching appointment, and I'll see you around campus.
Hi, I'm Bob Bruder. I am the coordinator for access to healthy foods here at the college, and my role with the wellness team is to help with the challenge of food insecurity. We know food insecurity can affect anybody at any time, and that without the proper nourishment, you can't perform at your best. So to help with that challenge, we have 2 food pantries. Here in Lowell, it's located in the Cowan Center on the ground floor in room G04. And in Bedford, it's located in the Campus Center building up in room 200. In those pantries, you'll find a wide variety of foods that you can grab, take home, and make yourself a good meal. If you're hungry now, grab one of our delicious frozen meals. Just pop it in the microwave and it's good to go. We also have grab-and-go stations located around campuses. They're in both libraries, they're outside the pantries, and we also have one up on the 3rd floor at the Student Information Center. So please, swing by, say hello, and check us out. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you.
Hello, and welcome to MCC. My name is Jonathan Crockett, and I'm the coordinator of Essential Needs and Community Resources at Middlesex. And what that means is I support students around basic and essential needs, such as food, housing, and financial needs. So in addition to helping coordinate our 2 food pantries and food resources on campus, I also meet regularly with students who are dealing with housing challenges. That can range from students who may be looking for their first apartment to students who may be homeless or housing insecure, perhaps living in their vehicle or living in a shelter. Part of my work is to try and help students find more secure and stable housing so that they can be more successful academically. So whether you're dealing with food, housing, or even financial challenges, please feel free to reach out to me to ask about some supports, and I will be as helpful as I can. I wish you a wonderful start to your semester, and I hope to get the chance to meet you at some point. Take care and be well.
Hello, my name is Amy Mahoney and I'm the Wellness Counselor at Middlesex Community College. This is such an exciting time for you all, and I really hope that you don't have to schedule with me. But we all know that life happens, and I hope that in those moments where you might feel stuck, that you do reach out to me. I can provide short-term, confidential, free mental health counseling to students of the college. I can also assist students in making referrals to community providers for long-term therapy, or if there's another specific mental health need that you have. For urgent mental health matters, please utilize the Massachusetts Behavioral Health Helpline at 833-733-2445. I look forward to meeting you in the upcoming year, and please don't hesitate to reach out with questions.